use this strategy to make some gains right away. So you see SPY has been falling for the past week, and it's been falling incredibly low. So all you got to do is to trade options and then select the expiration date. Share price is 519.89. All we got to do is to sell this put, sell that put, and then all we got to do is to buy put around our share price. And now this becomes our strategy. Now if SPY moves beyond 518 all the way, we make $37. If it moves above 520.63, we still make $36. There's no way SPY is gonna stand still. So yeah, make sure you use this strategy to make some gains. It might not be enough. All you gotta do is to increase the number of contracts to make more money. So yeah, stay tuned.